Hi, Sakile. I hope you're good. Um, I think we should break up. At this moment, reality hit me that maybe we're not meant to be. It's not you, it's me. I'm trying to find myself. Please take good care of yourself. Bye.